YouTube. Today I'm going to be changing out my two plastic tees for the coolant lines, as well as this little valve that goes to the heater lines. So the other day when I was working on this relay panel up here, I broke that tee right there, and coolant was coming out. Nothing was really, I didn't have anything to really keep it from happening, and none of the local auto parts stores near me had any that had the right size. So I just got a universal one and just made do until I was able to get the actual correct one. So today I'm going to go ahead and change those out. I will note that getting these pliers, they're not essential, but it's nice when you're working with these type of clips right here because they lock in place, right? So I can just do this, I lock, and you see I'm not holding it, it still is locked in place, and you can move it around. It's just a nice little feature to have whenever you're dealing with these, you know, not tearing up your fingers and whatnot. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these changed out and show you the process. So you can see here, this is an actual Toyota T. This is not, and the top part of the T is much smaller on the Toyota than on the universal one. This will get you by until you are able to get the correct one. I know a lot of people change these out for metal. I was considering doing that, however, you know, this is 2004, it's currently 2021. Figured, you know, it wouldn't have broken probably had I not been messing with it. But it was still pretty brittle, and if it lasted this long, then I am not really too worried about getting Toyota stuff. So I just took out the passenger side one, and it split. You can see up here as I was removing it. So I'm glad I'm doing this now. It probably broke because I was trying to pull it out, but that just means it's pretty brittle. So I'm glad I'm changing these out, like I said. If it does break off like that, you have to fish out the remaining pieces that are in the actual hose. So don't forget to do that, because that could break up and clog up your system, you know, maybe reduce the flow through the line. So just be cautious of that. If it does break like this, you need to get the remaining pieces out of the tube before you put the new one on. See, here's some of the little broken pieces from the top of this. You don't want that going around through your coolant system. It could cause problems, it could clog it up. So just make sure you, if it does break, you get everything out of the line. There she is, all nice and installed. You can see I just put a cup down there, caught most of the coolant. I'm just gonna pour it back into the engine bay here, or I'm just gonna pour it back into the radiator right up here when I'm done. But yeah, I mean, it's a very simple change out. I'm contemplating doing this right now. I don't know, I might just leave that there. I did get a knockoff version of this. I did not get a Toyota factory OEM valve, just because they are much more expensive than like a knockoff one. I'll have links for all this stuff in the description below. But yeah, I think I got these on eBay, so it's not affiliate links. What I will have, if it's an Amazon link, then it is an affiliate link. But I'll have all the part numbers and everything in the description as well. So I'm going to be changing probably just this T and that T that's right over there, and I'll probably leave this valve, although I will carry this valve with me, the backup that I have, just in case it ever does break on the road or trail or something. I'll have a spare there. But yeah, it's real simple insurance to do for yourself. If you're planning a long road trip, don't let this be the reason that you have issues on the way. So I'm getting this sucker ready for my Montana elk hunt, which is going to be happening in about 2 weeks. So yep, that's kind of why I've been doing most of this stuff, is just kind of getting it ready for that. Real quick video today for you guys. Hope that helped you out. Those pliers that I showed you that kind of lock up, it's really helpful. I got those initially for the Mini Cooper that I used for the 24-hour lemons. I have a video series on that if that interests you. Go check that out. I've used them countless times since then, and it's you know, it's just the small things as you get older that you really just appreciate, stuff like that, you know, not having that hassle with using pliers and that. It seems like it wouldn't be that big of a deal, but it's just, it makes the process go much smoother once you already have those tools. So hope that helped you guys out. Again, check yours. This is a common failure point. They constantly leak. Even if you're looking at some used ones, you might find a leak, you know, some seepage in these tees. So just peace of mind, just change them out. You don't have to worry about them again. So anyway, like always, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great day and keep on enjoying life out there.